Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Yes, I'm wearing the same outfit as I wore in my last video. Please don't judge, but I don't have enough space in my mind to create outfits like this, you know? So yeah, if I love an outfit, I'm gonna use it a couple of times in my videos. Hope you don't mind. So yeah, today we are gonna be doing an ab workout. We're gonna be doing it all on the ground, so make sure to get a mat or lay on a carpet, whatever, as long as it's protecting your spine. And yeah, so I'm not gonna spoil any of the workout. So if you're ready, then let's just go. All right, so now that we're on the ground, let's just lower down onto our back slowly. So curve in and slowly go down. We're gonna put our hands behind our head and we're gonna bring our toes and heels together. And we're lifting our heels up, bringing our hands forward, and we're just gonna pulse to the side, pulse forward, pulse to the other side, and repeat. So really trying to keep the heels up here so we're not dropping our feet completely on the ground. So just pulse up, up, up. Good. Kind of making a circle. Good. If you feel a little bit too much pain in your neck, you can put one hand behind your head to kind of make it easier and lessen the pain. Good. Keep going. So now we're going to skip the pulsing and just come for circles. So we're just going around and around and around. And like I said, you can put one hand behind your head just to make sure that your neck isn't getting too exhausted. Good. Hands behind our head now. And we're just going to pulse up. So really trying to engage your abs here. Keeping those heels up. Good. Keep going. If you feel like your hip flexors are a little bit in pain, then just close your knees together. Good. We're going to come back and we're going to pulse up. So first to the left, center, and then to the right. Good. Trying to keep really nice balletic arms here. Do not drop your elbows down and create a chicken-like kind of form. Want to keep this nice and elegant. Good. Keep going. And let's come for circles. Good. Just 8 times. Good. And relax. Hands behind our head. And let's pulse up into a crunch. So crunching up, just 8 times. Those heels up. Try not to pull too much on your neck. We're really trying to use our abs here. Good. Make a long stretch. Elongate your arms and legs. Let's come back to that diamond position or butterfly, however you want. We're going to lift one leg and the other leg. We're going to lift the arms as well. So the legs are kind of in an attitude position. You're just bending them slightly and opening them. Good. Keep alternating. This is working your lower abs. Good. Really tighten those abs, engage them. Now we're going to meet our elbow with the opposite knee. So kind of like bicycle crunches, but in this attitude position instead. Good. If you can't meet your elbow with your knee, that's totally fine. Just keep trying. What's important here is that you've got the twist and the crunch going for you. Good. Lower down. Now we're going to bring our feet in, kind of making a frog position, and then stretching them out. Good. So bend them in and then stretch them out. You can put your hands under your butt if you're feeling a little bit pain in your lower back in this position. Good. Keep going. If you feel like your hips are kind of popping, try not to open too much. Good, stretching those legs all the way, pointing those toes. Engage those abs. Hold it out and lower down. Elongate your body and do a nice little stretch. We're gonna come up and we're gonna do a forward stretch, trying to meet our head with our shins. Slowly up. Just gonna go side to side with our neck. A little bit down. Other side. And little small circles. Come up, roll your shoulders. Curl in, stretch to the side. Stretch those abs. We work those obliques like crazy. Good, roll your shoulders again, shake it out. Good, so we're finished. I hope you guys loved this little quick routine, and I'll see you next time. Bye!